Example 1. How much of a 50% antifreeze solution must be added to 30 gallons of a 10% solution to obtain a 40% antifreeze solution? Well, if you live in a climate where there's snow and ice, this is a practical problem. Okay, so we have 3 buckets. Bucket number 1, we have 30 gallons of a 10% solution. Bucket number 2, we have a 50% solution. We don't know how many gallons we need to add. And in the third bucket, when we dump these two, we got 30 plus X gallons of solution. Now, there is 10% here, that means 3 gallons. There is 50% here, that means 0.5 times X. And there is 40%, so 0.4 of 30 plus X. We are dumping the first 2 gallons into the third one, so this many gallons added to that many gallons must be equal to the following number of gallons. Now you be careful not to spill anything, and you be careful that nothing else drops in bucket 3. Otherwise, this equation that I'm about to show you, this equation here will not hold. Okay, you had a good laugh, let's go on. Distribute, subtract 0.4x from both sides, combine like terms, subtract 3 from both sides, divide by 0.1, and you should be getting 90 gallons of antifreeze, or whatever x is. So 30% of a 10% acid solution added to 90 gallons of a 50% solution should give you a 40% solution. Let's do example 2. 50 gallons of a 20% acid solution are mixed with 20 gallons of a 90% acid solution. What is the acid concentration of the resulting mixture? So let X be the concentration of the mixture. X is a decimal. So we have 20% of 50 gallons, which gives us 10 gallons of acid. We have 90%, we have a 20-gallon solution that gives us 18 gallons of acid. And then we have X, which is a concentration. Why is the 100x? Because that's a decimal. So 100% is 1. So we have X here, and we have 70 gallons, 50 gallons plus 20 gallons, and X here, percent as a decimal, and that gives us 70 times X. So 10 gallons added to 18 gallons must be the same as 70x gallons. Here we go. You combine like terms, you divide by 70, and you can simplify this. You really don't have to, so that gives you 4 over 10. You can write it as 0.4 and convert to a percent, or you can multiply numerator and denominator by 10, which gives you 40 over 100, and the per 100 means percent. So the concentration is 40%.